Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let us pray to the person of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because given the opportunity to meet again at this meeting. Introduce us from group 2 with members. I'm Miss Ulfanur Saadah and my friends Mr. Farhan Maulana Muslim and Miss Nenden Nidaul Hasana. On this occasion, we will explain about the set. There are sub-material that will be discussed including definition of the set writing, association members, set type, cardinal numbers, the set of universe, equal and equivalent sets, session sets, power sets, and set operation. Okay, just the first part will be explained by me. Set in everyday life, the word set is fired with groups. In biology, for example, we know group of flora and fauna groups. In it, there are more vertebrate group and invertebrate group, dicotyledonous group and monocot group. In everyday life, you also know the Javanese, Maduris, Sasak, Dayak, Batak, and other. They are all groups. The term group, class, or group in mathematics is known as a set. However, not all collections include set. For example, a group of smart students, a group of tall students. Let's observe. Try to observe some sets that belong to set and not set below. A group that includes a collection of 1. A collection of students born in August. 2. A collection of male students. 3. A collection of city names in Indonesia starting with the letter S. 4. A collection of fruits starting with the letter M. 5. A collection of two-legged animals. 6. A collection of countries in Southeast Asia. And a group that is not a group. 1. A collection of big cities in Indonesia. 2. A collection of rich people in Indonesia. 3. A collection of smart students in your school. 4. A collection of high mountains in Indonesia. 5. A collection of favorite subject students. 6. A collection of delicious food. Let's observe a collection of vegetables consisting of long bean, green bean, spinach, and sport. 2. The set of fruits. Its members are pineapple, orange, apple, and mango. 3. The set of fish. Its members are tuna, carp, catfish, and tilapia. 4. The set of kitchen spices. The members are salt, candle nut, and garlic. Based on this set, it can be written as follows. 1. Member of the set of vegetables are long beans, green beans, spinach, and sport. 2. Members of the group of fruits are pineapple, orange, apple, mango. 3. Jengkol is not a member of the group of spices. 4. Mango is not a member of the group of fish. Definition of the set. The set is a collection of objects or objects that are clearly defined. Notation is denoted by capital letters and curly brackets. Example, set of two-legged animal, written as below. Set writing. There are 3 ways to write a set. 1. Register. Example, A is curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 curly bracket. 2. With sentence or word. Correct writing, the conditions are 1. There are curly brackets which indicate that the one in the bracket is a company. Example, A is curly bracket first 5 natural numbers curly bracket. 2 cannot be enclosed in curly brackets as long as it used the word set. Example, A is the set of the first 5 natural numbers. 3. Assemblage forming notation. Example as below. How to write? 1. The set is written with a symbol of a capital letter. 2. Write with X is curly bracket, X where point. Written with what you want and then fill in the description curly bracket. Problem example 1. In the form of writing another set. Set A is curly bracket A where 0 and A is a factor of 12 curly bracket. Answer list. A is curly bracket 1, 3, 4, 6 curly bracket. Word A is curly bracket factor of 12 which is less than equal to 10 curly bracket. And A is the set of factors of 12 that are less than equal to 10. Okay. 2. In the form of writing another set. D is curly bracket 5, 7, 11, 13 curly bracket. Answer notation D is curly bracket D where 5, D where 3, D prime curly bracket. Words D is the set of prime number from 5 to 13. Association member. An object is declared a member of a set if the object is in the set. Members of a set are denoted by this, while non-members of the set are denoted by this. Example 1. Chicken non-member, set of mammal animal. 2. 192 non-members, set of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, etc. 3. 1990 non-members, set of leap year. 4. 12 members, set of composite number. 5. K members, set of consonant letter in the alphabet.
Set type. There are three types of sets. The first, a finite set that has a finite number of members. For example, the set of natural numbers less than 10. Then set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The second, an infinite set is the set that has an infinite number of members. For example, the set of numbers. The third, the empty set is the set that has no member at all. For example, the set of humans who have been to Pluto can be written opening curly braces and closing curly braces, or the number of zeros crossed out like that is the symbol of the empty set. The next is problem example. Write what type of the set the following sets are. The first, the set of prime numbers which are divisible by 5. And the answer is, then the set is finite. The second, the set of odd numbers greater than 100, and the answer is infinite set. The third, set A is prime number greater than 3 and even, and the answer is empty set. The fourth, set E is a square number between 4 and 9, and the answer is empty set. And the fifth, set F is 0 is less than x is less than 2. X is a rational number, and the answer is infinite set. Okay, next, cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are numbers that express the number of members of a set. The way of writing is as follows. NA is A indicates the name of the number and the dots are filled with a number. For example, if A is the set of prime numbers which is divisible by 3, set A is 3, which is divisible by 3. There is only one member which is 3. Then NA is 1. Problem example. Write down the cardinal numbers of the following sets. The first, set A is vowel letter in the word mathematics. The answer is set A is A, E, I. Then NA is 3. The second, set B is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. And the answer is, then NB is 9. The third, set C is x less than 15, x odd number, and the answer is set C is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Then NC is 7. The fourth, the set of factors of 12, and the answer is set D is 1, 2, and D is 2. Universe set. Universe set or the universe of talk is the set that contains all the members or objects of the set being discussed. The universal set is usually denoted by S. Example, suppose set A is 1, 2, 5, 7. Then the possible universal set from set A is as follows. Set S is prime number. Set S is natural number. Set S is whole number. The possible universal set of buffalo, cow, goat are set animal, set four-legged animal, and set cattle. Equal set is called equal if the sets A and B both have the same members, regardless of the order. It means that the sets A and B are said to be equal if the members of A are members of B, and vice versa. The similarity between set A and set B can be written with the symbol A equal B. Equivalent set. Two sets can be said to be equivalent if the number of members of the two sets is the same but there are objects that are not the same. For example, set P is A, I, U, E, O, and set Q is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both sets P and Q have unequal members, but the number of members is the same. So the set P is equivalent to Q, so P difference Q. Example, it is known that the sets A is 1, 2, 3. Set B is A, B, C, and set C is 1, 1/3. Which of the three sets is equivalent? And the answer is NE is 3. NB is, NA is 3, NB is 3, and C is 4. So NA equal NB is 3. Then the set A is equivalent to B. Section set. The set A is called a subset of B. Then it is written as A slash subset B. If every member of A is included in B, it is written A slash subset B. Read B is the source of A. B contains A, or B is superset A. In this case, every set always has an empty set and the same set as the set as its subset. The, the, this is due to the notion of the subset itself. The number of possible subsets of sets A can be found by using the formula 2NA. For example, if set P is 1, then the subset of P is empty set 1. The number of subset of P is 2 with the formula 2 and P is 2, 1 is 2. If set Q is A, B, then the subsets of the set Q are empty set A, set B, set A, B. The number of subsets of Q is 2. With the formula 2 and Q is 2, 2 is 4. That's my explanation. Then it will be explained by Mr. Farhan.
Okay, thank you. The next we have set operation. First, we have set slice or intersection. The intersection of set A and B is the set of all elements that are member of set A and set B. Is it denoted by A slice B is in parentheses X. It's a part of XA and X in parentheses of B. Example, given A is in parentheses X when X between 0 and 9, X is a part of whole number. B is in parentheses 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. C is in parentheses odd number less than 9. D is prime in parentheses prime number less than 9. Without drawing the Venn diagram, determine A slice B, B slice C, C slice D, and D A slice B slice C. So that you can easily answer the question like the one above. Ananda must pay attention to the members that are the same in each set. A is in parentheses 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. B is in parentheses 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. C is in parentheses 1, 3, 5, and 7. And D is in parentheses 2, 3, 5, and 7. Solution A. A slice B is in parentheses 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. B. B slice C is empty. C. C slice D is in parentheses 3, 5, and 7. D. A slice B slice C is in parentheses 2. Second is combine or union. The union of sets A and B is a set whose members are members of set A or members of set B, denoted by A combined B. A combined B is in parentheses X when X is a part of A or X is a part of B. Trait 1. For A and B, the set applies and in parentheses A combined B is n in parentheses A plus n in parentheses B minus n in parentheses A slice B. Trait 2. For A, B, and C sets apply, n in parentheses A combined B combined C is n in parentheses A plus n in parentheses B plus n in parentheses C minus n in parentheses A slice B minus n in parentheses A slice C minus n in parentheses B slice C plus n in parentheses A slice B slice C. Example, among a group of 36 students, 20 people like math, 18 like science, and 8 like both. How many students don't like one or both of math and science? Solution: the number of students who do not like both is the total number of students minus the combined number of students in the two sets. And in parentheses S minus n in parentheses P combined Q is 36 minus in parentheses n in parentheses P plus n in parentheses Q minus n in parentheses P slice Q is 36 minus in parentheses 20 plus 18 minus 8 is 36 minus 38 minus 8 is 36 minus 30 is 6. The third is complementary sets. Let S is a universal set and A is a set. The complement of set A is a set of all members of set S that are not members of set A, denoted by A complement. With sets forming notation, this definition can be written as follows: A complement is in parentheses X when X is and X is not part of A. Example, Natasha is kindergarten student at Alcazar Kindergarten. He is learning to recognize the letter of the Latin alphabet. Try to discuss it with your friends. If P is a set of letters of the Latin alphabet that are not consonant. Name the member of the set P. Find the number of member of the set P. Q is a set of letters of the Latin alphabet that is not a vowel. Name the member of the set Q. Find the number of member of set Q. Solution. First, P is a set of letters of the Latin alphabet that are not consonants. The sets of letters of the Latin alphabet that are not consonants mean the set of letters of the Latin alphabet which are vowels. Then P is in parentheses A, I, U, E, and O. The number of members of the set P or N in parentheses P is 5, 2. Q is the set of the letters of the Latin alphabet that are not vowel. The set of letters of the Latin alphabet that are not vowel means the set of the letters of the Latin alphabet which are consonants. Then Q is in parentheses B, C, D, F, G, H, G, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number of members of the set Q or N in parentheses Q is 21. Example: difference between B and A is the set of all members of set A that are not members of set B denoted by A minus B. Written: A minus B is in parentheses X when X is part of A and X is not part of B is A slice BC. Example: given A is in parentheses 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. B is in parentheses 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. C is in parentheses 2, 3, 5, and 7, and D is in parentheses 2, 6, and 8. Okay, we have an example. Determine of the sets. The first is B minus C. Second is A minus B. The third is B minus A. The fourth is A minus D. And the fifth is D minus A. The first is B minus C is in parentheses 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 minus in parentheses 2, 3, 5, and 7 is in parentheses 1 and 9. The second is A minus B is in parentheses 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus in parentheses 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 is in parentheses 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. The third is B minus A is in parentheses 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 minus 2 in parentheses 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 is in parentheses 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. The fourth is A minus D is in parentheses 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 minus in parentheses 2, 6, and 8 is in parentheses 4 and 10. And the 5 is D minus A is in parentheses 2, 6, and 8 minus 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 is empty. Okay, thank you for everyone who listened our presentation, and we have exercise for you.